Hi guys, welcome to a new video, and in this video I'm going to do a bike check on my Whyte 605B2 2020 model.
Okay, so the first main part on this bike is 760mm white handlebars. So the second main part is the WTB Trail Boss tyres, 27.5 on the front, and on the back I have a WTB Ranger 27.5 tyre. So the third part is the forks. These are RockShox XC30 120mm travel. I've got a Shimano hydraulic Textro mineral oil front and back brake, and I've also got a Shimano Akera gear shifter. I've got the stock white stem with a white top cap as well. I have got the stock white seat, and I've got a quick release bolt, and I've got a quick release white seat clamp. It's got a Shimano Akera gear shifter and some Shimano cranks.